You see, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install.
For your free consultation and estimate, or go to one of our websites. You can see the lumber. What we've done here, instead of putting a column on the bottom,
trim board, we're getting a nice peeled look on it. We have some cold molding between the blocks. It's just finishing up right now.
Flores in Garfield, New Jersey. Herman, we just finished your vinyl siding. Let me ask you, what do you think about the quality of the work? That's fantastic. And let me ask you, what did you think? I know you were on a budget. What did you think about the price? Did we work with you?
I had 3 contractors coming in. You guys did everybody.
here we just installed vinyl cedar shake siding on this house. We're on the front now, and as you can see, it was a tear-off.
OJ channel, starter strip, straight,